Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. We prepared a compilation of all sorts of epicness caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight, grab your snacks and enjoy in this one. Semi-truck driver could not be bothered here at all and he casually ran a red light. Because of drivers like him, it always pays off to wait a second or two, even if you have a green. Driver leaving the queue was in a straight-only lane, but instead of going straight, he made an illegal turn to the left, and that could have easily come with a lot of consequences.
Cube in the office and no one says anything. No one says, where did this come from? I know, I would have loved just one talking head or someone.
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. He cut the corner as he was making a turn, but that's not all. He even had difficulties in staying in his own lane.
What the heck are you doing? Yay. Oh, cut the corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have the first-hand experience of an impatient driver right here at your own hands.
Don't even look. Don't look.
People were sitting outside, having a good time and a meal together. Everything was peaceful, but that soon changed in one moment because one driver is about to cause a wreck.
Go, ready, go. Battery.
Camera was being tailgated for a few minutes now by a reckless and an impatient driver, But that's not all. The crazy driver passed him even on the inside and forced the camera out of his lane.
That's bad at it. How is that right? Better, right? Look out. Yep, that's right. You just committed that, right? Chief, police. That doesn't work that way, dude.
Driver that was on the camera's left side was speeding. He was speeding a bit too much for his own good, and that cost him, because he got nailed by a school zone speed detector. In this video, the camera prepared some epic fails by drivers who don't know how to behave in traffic. Hopefully, you'll enjoy this mini compilation of crazy drivers and learn a thing or two. Driver who was in a left turn lane cut right across the road, and he nearly hit the camera as well.
Mas qual é que é a necessidade?
Pá, é estes gajos que têm a mania que toda a...
Vai ver agora.
Agora segura assim. Que é normalzinho do caraças, meu.
I'm sure that you've never seen a greater sense of self-entitlement than right here in this clip. Driver tried to force his way in front of the camera at all costs, but the camera stood his ground and refused to make space for him. However, the crazy driver did not get discouraged. Check out what happened next.
Pay attention to what's going on. not looking.
Heart attack.
Camera was driving along a quiet city street at night, and he suddenly came across a group of cyclists coming the other way. Some of them were even on their phones, and they almost ran into the camera's car.
Second target area, Reed is talking, and he seems on fire today, so back down.
And their car's gone. Ricky probably going to work.
He didn't have no money left, didn't have no receipt showing what he spent it for, see. So,
They got rid of him.
got rid of him on that.
She's waiting on the bus. And
Yeah.
wonder where she's working for. Look like McDonald's to me.
Is that a woman driving that vehicle back there?
I can't tell.
She's all over the day.
Yeah.
Right this bumper, 45 ain't fast enough for her. That's the speed limit. We'll take her down to 20. Oh, she's right behind me right here.
Give her the pizza.
Well, I wanted me.
Yeah. Hadn't cooked down.
See what old beach wants. She might want me. Huh? Let's see how brave she is.
This is usually what happens when you merge onto the road without looking at all. How on earth did this driver who pulled out onto the road did not see a vehicle that was there right before his very eyes? Unfortunately, another episode comes to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all these fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, please do subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.